I had big plans yesterday afternoon to get ready for tonight's forecast big snowstorm. I was going to start the 1486, put the blade on it, get my PTO generator, make sure it's all ready to go, but turns out the throttle cable on the 1486 is frozen and will not move. It must have got some moisture in it at some point during the summer. The 1486 is not going to start, and of course it's parked directly in front of the little shed where my PTO generator lives, which incidentally is frozen into the ground anyway. So I decided I'd make do with just putting the material bucket on my skid steer and putting fuel and anti-gel into it. So that's going to have to be the extent of my preparations for the snowstorm.